Duol mar jotije Piny owacho yango ni ikore ne lokruok mar sirkal kendo gibiro tayo chenrono e yo makare ma onge chochni moramora. Kano loso kod ute fombo e log tich margi Commission House, jakom mar duolno Ambassador Anthony Mushiri olero ni gisechiwo chenro 9 mar gigo ma bende gichano timo mar neno ni chenro mag piny owacho odhi mbele e yo makare. Chenro makamago ochwal ne sirkal mawuok e telo kod mano ma bende donje telo.
The following are the 9 advisories. Advisory number 1 is on a fit-for-purpose structure of a new government. Advisory number 2 is on recruitment and selection of principal secretaries. Advisory number 3 is on appointment letters for principal secretaries. Advisory number 4 is on delegation instrument and vesting of the role of the authorized officer. Advisory number 5 is on a high-level induction program for cabinet secretaries and principal secretaries. Advisory number 6 is on exit of serving principal secretaries and safeguards for seamless continuity of service delivery. Advisory number 7 is on the management of the exiting cohort of advisors and other auxiliary personal staff. Advisory number 8 is on devolution, intergovernmental relations, and modalities for transition of staff from the Nairobi Metropolitan Services and related matters upon the lapse of the deed of transfer between the central government, the Nairobi Metropolitan Services, and the county government of Nairobi. Finally, advisory number 9 is on the institutionalization and reinvigoration of performance management, reform, and transformation in the public service.